Ano naman, masaya. First, so parang hindi ko actually hindi ko alam sasabihin ko. Hindi ko in-expect na na makukuha to. The whole time I was just trying to be better, trying to improve myself every day. And then ito yung naging reward, diba? So sobrang happy ako dahil yun na, every day pinupush ko yung sarili ko, not intentionally para manalo ng kung ano mga words, just to really to get better every day, to help my team win, and to hopefully win a championship again. But ito nga, it's a bonus, diba? Like a bonus. So I'm very happy kasi diba, ilan player lang yung nakaka-achieve na ganito, diba? Yung name ko nandun na, so sobrang saya.
Arvin, sabi mo ilang players lang nakaka-achieve nito, considering si Junmar, kaya parang medyo constant.
Junmar lahat eh.
Tapos, for you at your age right now, medyo bata ka pa, and today, like, put your staff there, up in the league's best. How does it feel for you?
It's parang, surreal feeling, di ba, na, like you said, very early, parang been in the league for 5 years, or 5 years. And then, nakakuha ako ng isa sa pinakamataas na award. Yun yung parang testament din also na kung paano ako trabahuin every day, na talagang to be one of the best. Actually, like I said before, mataas ako mangarap I really want to be the best. And to be the best, di ba? Kailangan ikaw yung pinaka-hardworking, and you also have to beat the best. And yeah. So,
kanina parang before you left, before leaving the court, you had this moment with your former 11 team. You just shared
it's lang. Well, of course, karamihan naman sa kanila, ang tagal ko na nakasama So, yung brotherhood na na-build namin, even off the court, nandun and of course, I played for that team, and played for Coach Tim. I started my career with him. I learned so much from him, from the vets na nandun when I was playing, like sila Joe, LA, JD, and sila Japs, yun ang mga vets. Si Mark, MC, kamusta ka na? Yun, so that was a big blessing for me to be able to start my career sa ganyang team. And I actually won a championship na first conference ko. So marami na rin kaming pinagsamahan nila. And Coach O, my college coach, that's my ninong. Actually, ninong namin sa kasal ng wife. So I said, may good luck now. Good luck, and I saw them very, very happy. So.
Coach Tim, anong sinabi sa'yo ni Coach Tim?
Proud. He's proud. Sabi na, very proud of you. Thank him.
Ano mo share para malalaman yung ikaw yung
si Kume, late na tumawag. But yeah. I was actually nasa vacation with my family. And one night, tumawag sa akin and said to go back to get the award. Of course, babalik ako. Best player of the conference, diba? Not to be there.
Obviously, hindi mo na naisip yung award dahil nakabuka na ng bakasyon.
Actually, dami ko nang tinanong eh. Sir, hindi alam kung before ba eh. Sabi ko kasi nakabuko ko ng Bora eh. Pwede ko bang malaman yun na para i-move ko? Eh kaso secret daw eh. But yeah, okay lang. Sulit naman, sobrang sulit.
Yung family mo nandun pa?
Nandun ba sila? Yeah.
So babalik ko pa?
Yeah.
Kailan ba?
Tomorrow morning.
Sige, sabi ko, parang umasa.
Yeah, I remember sabi pa ni Sir Bill.
Nandalin mo intro? Black po?
Hindi na siguro, medyo malaki-laki yung
Mawala pa.
Mawala rin.
Marvin, in-insight lang, kung hindi ka ba nawala sa Inebra, you think you would win the best player?
Yan yung mga tanong na parang ayoko minsan sagutin eh. Diba? Yung we'll never know. But, di ko rin masabi eh. But, I'm sure, di ba, yung work that I've been doing ever since, you know, and the mentality na I want to be better every day, it's still gonna be there, di ba? And then with the help of a lot of veteran players, veteran coaches, then for sure, sobrang laki rin ng improvement ko if nag-stay ako. And I can't say lang na if makukuha ko to. No. So,
yung DPC kasi usually ang laking factor in determining yung MVP. So, kumbaga, meron ka ng 1 foot in chasing that. Sabi mo nga, mataas ka mga may Philippine Cup which walang import. So, parang playground for bona fide homegrown talents to like step up. So, kabul mo ba MVP?
That's, but, you know, mahirap din pagka nag-focus ako sa ganun, diba? I'm still gonna do the same thing, diba? Try to help my team win, diba? And if ever I get the MVP, then sabi mo, 1 foot team na. And so medyo mataas na yung chance. But of course, you're not gonna get it if you're not gonna win a lot of games or you don't have the team. So I'm not really gonna focus on that. Although, di ba, may isip rin, But once kasi na mag-focus ako to chase that MVP, parang hindi rin makakatulong sa team ko. Diba? Like now, like I said kanina, hindi ko naman talaga in-expect na makukuha or magiging in contention for BPC. Just had to, like, you know, get better every day and help my team win, and that's a bonus. Although hindi kami nanalo ng championship, but still.
Sino na next-expect mo dapat manalo?
Well, dalawa lang kami ni Calvin dapat daw eh. Because but expect ko talaga si Junmore, of course, kasi statistically, ang taas ng layo na eh. But nung malaglag sila, so, medyo tumaas yung chance namin ni Calvin. Lalo kaming dalawa yung nag-series. So,
ayun eh, Philippine Cup season. Obviously, wala pa bakasyon World Cup.
Yeah.
Ano lang yung masasabi mo sa chances ng after reaching the semifinals?
Definitely yung confidence nung team namin nandun. Reaching the semis, being number 1. So, diba, that's a big experience for us, or morale booster, confidence booster. Diba? Then we start to believe na kaya pala namin, diba, may pagsabayan sa malalakas na team. And that's a big boost para sa amin going into Philippine Cup. Although wala yung import namin si Kadim, but diba, may yung belief namin na kaya namin may pagsabayan is nandun.